I'm standing in the busy Marina Sol market in Vela, the capital of Islenia's north coast. Seeing meats, curled through colorful stalls, piled high with silver kelp ribbons, bright emberbeans, and the prized dawnspice breads, a local cousin of saffron, that grows wild on the rocky headlands where salty wind meets early sun. Vendors shout prices in their sing-song Islenian, while fishermen unload baskets of plum creams and Thai clams, harvested at dawn from the shallow tidal flats. Just around the corner is Brasa de Aurora, the small family tavern, famous for its Zarange Paella. The name comes from Zarange, the old Islenian word for a sunset glow. And this dish truly lights up your plate in warm ribs and boats. I sidle up to the open kitchen, where head cook Marisol stirs a wide, shallow pan over glowing charcoal embers. She sleeps in olive oil infused with crushed drift rose petals. Their perfume like a whisper of wild meadow. Next, she adds diced amber beans, hard little legumes with a creamy orange interior, so they toast and crackle just right. As the beans soften, Marisol ladles in hot broth simmered from slow-roasted sea bass bones, aromatic seaweed, and a handful of dawnspice strips. The steam rises in violet clouds, carrying a thin tang of kelp. Then come the crimson Thai clams, their bright red shells opening like tiny lanterns. Finally, she fans in sprigs of silver kelp ribbons, slicing them thin so they cling to every grain of short-grain rice beneath. This recipe traces back to Islenian fishermen of the 16th century, who mixed land and sea harvest in a single pot, using amber beans brought inland via Mountain Caroline. Dawnspice was once reserved for nobility, but improved terrace farming in the 1800s made it a staple for coastal families. Today, local guilds oversee sustainable plant beds and kelp forests, balancing harvest with conservation. Marisol gives me a wooden paddle to taste. The first bite is a burst of briny sweetness from the clams, followed by the nutty creaminess of amber beans. The rice grains are soaked with just enough broth that each one remains al dente, giving a satisfying chew. The drift rose oil adds a floral hint, while dawnspice warms the tongue with gentle earthiness rather than harsh heat. Silver kelp threads melt on contact, lending a silky texture that ties the flavors together. Outside, street musicians play a lively folk tune on wooden whistles, reminding me that paella here isn't just food, but part of nightly celebrations, harvest festival, family gatherings, and even midwinter solstice feasts when the days are shortest and the sea air sharpest. The tavern fills with locals sipping sparkling cactus cider, passing bowls of Zarange Paella around the long communal table. A quick look at prices. Midweek specials run just 12 Islenian crowns per serving. Markets sell fresh dawnspice by the gram, and you can pick up amber beans or silver kelp bundles for home cooking. Distribution networks use coastal barges to bring clams from outlying coves, while mountain traders carry beans down steep passes. One more taste, and the tender rice, fragrant petals, and ocean-sweet clams combine in a final harmony that feels like a sunset in your mouth. If you ever find yourself in Vela, follow the salt breeze to Brasa de Aurora for an unforgettable taste of Zarange Paella.